Hey everyone, it's Pablo. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use JoggAI to create avatar videos step by step. First, head over to JoggAI and click the Get Started button to begin. Now you're in the product interface. Let's start by creating different avatar videos as you like. To begin, let's try creating a photo avatar. You can select Generate Avatar from Text, or upload a photo to create an avatar. Let's start with Create a Text to Avatar first. First, choose the style of avatar you want to create. Then, select the age, gender, and ethnicity of your avatar. Next, you can customize the details of your avatar's background and talking pose. Not sure what to write? No problem. Just click the prompt generator or hit randomize to get some ideas. You can also pick a background or let us suggest one for you. If you're unsure what action your avatar should perform, try the randomize feature for fresh ideas. Once you're done, pick the image ratio and decide how many avatar photos you want. Wait just a few seconds, and your hyper-realistic avatar will come to life. Next, choose your favorite avatar photo and click Generate Motion. Here, you can adjust your avatar's emotions and actions. When you're happy with it, click Create Avatar to finalize it. Your photo avatar is now ready. You can find it in your avatar library, ready for personalized video creation. Let's have a look of the upload a photo to create avatar feature. You can also create an avatar based on a photo you upload. Select the motion and gesture, click Generate, and once you're happy with it, click Create Avatar. Your avatar will be ready in seconds. Now, let's try creating a custom avatar. Before you start, be sure to check out the tutorial guide on how to shoot your video. Watching this will help ensure the best video quality. There's also a text version of the instructions if you prefer to read. Once you're familiar with the instructions, let's get started. Step 1. Upload your footage. You can either use a video you've already recorded or record a new one using your webcam. For the best quality, I recommend uploading your footage. Make sure your video meets the specified requirements. Check the box to confirm, then proceed. Step 2. Authorize your video. Click Record with Webcam and choose your language, and turn on cam and mic to capture a brief video of yourself reading the provided script. This step only takes about 30 seconds. Once your consent is validated, click the Submit button. After uploading your footage, the creation process will begin. You can track the progress here. When it's finished, you'll receive a notification email. Now, your custom AI avatar is ready to use. You can select your AI-cloned avatar for content creation. Next, let's take a deeper look at the long video-to-text feature, which lets you create a talking avatar. Simply drop in your script, set the aspect ratio, choose the screen style, and decide if you want subtitles. Pick from our diverse avatars or create your own. Then select the perfect voice to connect with your audience. Now, you can create longer videos in minutes with just one click. With JoggAI's templates, you can create captivating videos, perfect for training, education, services, and local businesses. That's it. You're now ready to create amazing videos with JoggAI.